Hello everyone, welcome back, and I'm here with the new topics, cases of personal pronoun. So as we have discussed already in the previous classes about pronouns, so today I'm going to talk about the cases of personal pronouns. So as you know that I, we, you, he, she, it, they are personal pronoun. Okay? So in these classes you can learn much more thing about the cases, about the pronouns, which personal pronouns are used in which cases. Okay? So there are three cases of personal pronoun. See here, subjunctive case, possessive case and objective case. So these three cases are used in a sentence differently. Okay, you know that the sentence pattern is subject, verb, object. Okay, in this sentence, okay, so these cases can be used in the sentence differently. Subjunctive case, possessive case and objective case, they are used. Let's see first, in the beginning is subjunctive case. What is subjunctive case? Subjunctive case, the pronoun that is used as a subject of the sentence is called subjunctive case. So normally pronouns can be used, okay, personal pronoun can be used as a subject in the sentence. Okay, so this is called subjunctive case. It is also known as nominative case. Subjunctive case of personal pronouns are I, we, you, he, she, it, they. So I, we is first person, you second person, he, she, it, they third person. Okay, they are used only in subjunctive case in the sentence. Let's take some example here. I go to school today. I go to school today. Here in the sentence, I is used as a subject. This is personal pronoun but used as subject, and this is called subjunctive case in the sentence. Similarly, you can see here, she called me yesterday. She is functioning or working as subject, that's why this is subjunctive case. Then this is personal pronoun. Now next here, they are busy in writing homeworks. They is functioning as subject in the sentence, that's why this is subjunctive case. Similarly, you can see here next, you will have met me by 6 o'clock. So you is functioning as subject in the sentence, so they are called what? Subjunctive case. Okay, all these words are always used in the sentence as subject. They act as the subject in the sentence, and these all are called what? Personal pronoun in the case of singular case. Now possessive case. What is possessive case? The word which is used as possessive case and shows the possession something of noun or pronoun in the sentence is called possessive case. So it always shows the possession something of noun or pronoun, something of somebody, it possesses. We have already discussed in the previous classes. So the possessive pronouns are mine, our, your, his, her, its, their, mine, your, etc. So these are possessive case. So they used in the sentence as possessive case. Okay, so the possession of something, okay, or somebody. For example here, this is my book. You can see, this is my book. So this is my book, here is my is possessive case. So this is functioning as possessive. Okay, so this my is possessive case. Now next, Sita is his sister. Sita is his sister. Here his sister is possessive case because this his is personal pronoun and this is possessive form, possessive case, and it is working as possessive case. So that's why this is possessive case. Similarly, mine, it's mine. Mine is possessive form. It's mine. Okay, so this is also possessive case. Similarly, she carried your bag. She carried your bag. Your is functioning or working as possessive case, possessive form in the sentence. That's why this your is the possessive case. Okay, and this is a personal pronoun possessive case. So here is my, this, everything is used. They are functioning as possessive case in the sentence. That's why they, all the words are possessive case. So this shows the position in the sentence. Okay, so all this can be used in the possessive form. So let's discuss now next. Okay, coming to the next is last one, object case. So what is object case? How to recognize the object in the sentence? Let's discuss. So the word which is used as object in the sentence is called objective case. So the word which is used as object in the sentence, all the objects, okay, which is used in the sentence, they are object. So you can see personal objects are there: me, us, you, him, her, it, them. So these are personal objects. Okay, pronoun. It means these words are used as object in the sentence. Always they function as object in the sentence. That's why they are personal object. For example, you can see here, the principal scolded him bitterly. The principal scolded him bitterly. So that's why here the word is him is used as object in the sentence. This is functioning. This is acting as object in the sentence. That's why this name is objective case. Similarly, she called you in the office. She called you in the office. Here is the word you is also functioning as object in the sentence. That's why this you is also personal pronoun and this is personal object. Likewise, the pens which I lost them. The pen which I lost them. Pens which are lost means this them. Them is also what? Objective case. It functions or is functioning as object in the sentence, and them is what? Personal object. So like this we can understand easily. So these are object. Now you can see the note here. Subject can be, see, subjective case can be any noun or pronoun. In a nutshell, I am going to recap here. Subjective case can be any noun or pronoun, but they can be used as a subject in the sentence. Subject always comes in the beginning of the sentence. That's why they are called subjective case. So the answer of subjective case is who and what question. Answer of who and what question. So this subject can be any noun and pronoun. Similarly, possessive case, this also can be used. Okay, can be any noun or pronoun. This can be any noun or pronoun. So this always functions, they always work as possessive form in the sentence. That's why they are called possessive case. And this can be also asked by questions. The possessive case is the answer of which question. Similarly, objective case. Objective case also can be any noun or pronoun both. Noun also can be as a object case, pronoun also can be. So they both are as a object, and this is called what? Object case. And how to recognize the object in the sentence? So to recognize the object in the sentence, this is the answer of what and whom question. So that's why they are also functioning as object in the sentence. So like this we talk about the cases of personal pronouns. So in detail I talk about this object case. Okay, what is object case, what is object, how many types of object, this will be discussed in next time. So that's why now I finish these personal pronouns. So after this I am going to talk about instruments. You can see here in the chart. Okay, so these are the chart of cases, okay, of personal pronouns. So we talk about this personal pronouns. See, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. So they are personal pronoun. Okay, they are always used. Okay, they always used as subject in the sentence, and they are called subject case. Okay, see, I, we, you, he, she, it, they. So they use as a subject. So they are I and you first person. I and you first person. So as for the Nepali student, I am going to tell something in Nepali here. I, we, you, he, she, they. यिनीहरु चाहिँ जहिले पनि सब्जेक्ट रूपमा आउँछन् सेन्टेन्समा जहिले पनि सब्जेक्ट रूपमा आउँछन् त्यसकारणले यिनीहरुलाई चाहिँ सब्जेक्ट केस भनिएको हो आई वी फर्स्ट पर्सन यू सेकेन्ड पर्सन ही शी दे थर्ड पर्सन सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज थर्ड पर्सन ही शी दे सो यिनीहरु जहिले पनि सब्जेक्ट रूपमा प्रयोग गरिन्छ सो नाउ आई एम गोइङ टु टेल हियर आई वी यू ही शी दे आर सब्जेक्ट केस सो इट इज द आन्सर अफ who question answer of who questions so when you ask the who questions the answer can be this type or what question okay similarly possessive form my our your his her its their so they are functioning as possessive form possessive case in the sentence and they are what possessive case possessive one and here possessive two okay so this is also the answer of which question which means कसको भन्ने प्रश्नको उत्तरमा चाहिँ यी शब्दहरु यी प्रोनाउनहरु चाहिँ आउँछन् so they always function they always used as the subject sorry possessive case in the sentence they are called possessive form okay this is the answer of which question let's ask the which question which copy my copy okay your his etc similarly object case so these pronouns are used okay this person object okay this person object are used in a sentence as a object so they are object case okay this is the answer of one question so when you ask the whom then the answer will be these are the answer of one questions okay so you can ask I called him whom called me us you him etc so you can ask one question similarly possessive two these are the possessive two mine our yours ours etc they are very easy so here what I want to say here if you ask what and who question the answer will be I you he should they and these charts are I my me we our us you your you he his him she her it its it they their them so these are the chart of pronoun that we have to understand okay and these are the very most important okay this is used in passive voice also so please try to understand this all this chart and try to get the knowledge okay so हामी I means more we means हामी यिनीहरु सबै युज के छ आफ्नो आफ्नो ठाउँमा युज भइरहेछ आफ्नो आफ्नो केसमा आफ्नो ठाउँमा चाहिँ युज भइरहेको हुन्छ सेन्टेन्समा यिनीहरु चाहिँ सब्जेक्ट रूपमा अब्जेक्ट रूपमा पोसेसिभ रूपमा आएको हुन्छन् त्यसकारणले यिनीहरुले चाहिँ आफ्नो ठाउँमा प्रयोग गरेको हुन्छ सो वेल स्टुडेन्ट्स सो दिस अल आर चार्ट अफ pronouns so perhaps I hope that you understood very well and like this next video next classes will be discussed in detail thank you very much